Welcome back to the layout, everyone. Today is going to be the layout update for February of 2023. It's been a little bit of time since I've done a layout update, so let's go ahead and get started with that. I recently weathered all of my bulkheads and did steel loads for a handful of those. You can see here we have 4 different loads with weathering on each car to varying amounts. I received a couple new kits on the layout as well. This piping kit is the last item that I needed to start work on the paper plant. I also received this barn kit. I'm going to weather this and have it as an old abandoned barn on the layout. My kids have been wanting a school bus on the layout for some time, and this will be perfect for just that. My biggest update on the layout is this lumberyard scene. This 84 lumber spans almost an entire section of the layout. I also completed all of the scenery and track ballasting in this section as well. This area has a stub track for unloading lumber from rail, different trucks and forklifts, and for Christmas, my sister got me this old farmhouse kit that is now beside the tracks and a perfect spot to watch trains from the front porch. There are also 2 lumber sheds stocked with lumber and other building goods, and a yard office as well. I included the red banding on all of the buildings that is typical for 84 lumber. Back here, where the brown base is, this will be the spot that the old barn will go, and next to that will be the Southern Steel rolling mill that I'm going to scratch build over the rail spur. I also went through and weathered all of my locomotive fleet that was not already weathered. Now, all of my CSX, UP, Kansas City Southern, and NS units are all weathered, and most are based on the current prototypes. That is it for the February layout update. I thank you for watching and leave you with a run by. Hi, if you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Be sure to hit the bell where you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Also, be sure to leave a comment. I try to respond to everyone's comments. And again, thank you for watching.